How to lock or unlock the function key on an HP notebook. Keyboard function keys F1 through F12 often have an icon on them indicating a secondary action, such as muting sound or adjusting display brightness. The secondary actions are sometimes called action keys or hotkeys. On some keyboards, you must press the Fn key to enable that command. The location of the Fn key might vary slightly. Typically, it's located on the bottom left row of the keyboard. Many HP notebooks allow you to use the action keys without pressing the Fn key each time. To do this, you must access your basic Input-Output System menu, or BIOS for short. To access this menu, turn off your computer. Turn on the computer and immediately press the F10 key repeatedly to open the BIOS Setup utility. Use the left and right arrow keys to navigate to the System Configuration menu. Then, use the up and down arrow keys to navigate to Action Keys mode. Press the Enter key to display the choice of Enabled or Disabled. Enabled does not require pressing the Fn key to use the actions printed on the function keys, while Disabled requires pressing the Fn key to use the actions printed on the function keys. Select your preferred option. Once you've made your selection, navigate to the Exit menu. Select Save Changes and Exit, and then confirm by selecting Yes. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.